मेरे घर आई, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार मेरे घर आई। हो मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी। उसकी बातों में शहद जैसी मिठास, उसकी सांसों में इत्र की महकास, होंठ जैसे के भीगे भीगे गुलाब, गाल जैसे के दहके अनार मेरे घर आई।
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
Hi love, wish you a very 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 happy birthday and I wish I was there to celebrate this epic day, but मैं नहीं हूँ and we can't do epic shit, but कोई बात नहीं. I guess we'll just have to like compile and make a list of all the stuff that we should have done if I was there on your birthday, but हम बाद में कर लेंगे वो चीज़ें. Anyway, I love you so much and I wish I get to see you very 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 soon. शादी कर ले यार please, I'll have something to do and also I'll have an opportunity to get dressed. और वैसे भी now you're old enough ना, तो yeah. Anyway, I miss you. Happy birthday again. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my dear January 24. Finally, बधाइयों बधाइयों. First of all, really sorry for not being there. I know हमने बहुत प्लान किया था मेरे बर्थडे के लिए, but I promise to make it up for it. And हाँ, याद है ना मेरा बैचलर वीडियो को थ्रो करना है. So obviously मेरा बैचलर तेरा बर्थडे साथ में मनाएंगे, साथ में मचाएंगे. अच्छे से प्लान करना. Just okay. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Miss me. I miss you too. Love you.
Here it is. It's finally your birthday. You've been reminding me it's my birthday for weeks now. So happy birthday. I know once this lockdown is lifted, you're going to seize the day because that's what you do, that's what you're good at. So I really hope your 24 is just fabulous, just like you. Wishing you a very very happy birthday. Chal, I'll meet you soon. Happy birthday, darling.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Sanika. Hope you have a great year ahead. Well, it's sad we won't be around to smash a cake in your face this year, but be careful the next time we meet. It was a threat.
Sanu, happy birthday to my favorite thing it seems. There has never been a dull moment with you. Thanks for always being there. I don't need to say much, you know how much I love you. Please, please, please enjoy your birthday. I don't have to say this again, but like it sounds nice. And I'm missing you, and just meet me super soon. I hope to see you soon too. Bye.
Sanu, ek pal chain na aave. Happy birthday, my personal bebo.
Happy birthday, Sanika. Lots of love to you. A big tight hug from my end. I wish we could be there and celebrate your birthday the way we did last year. It was such a huge celebration. but enjoy your quarantine birthday. It's something different and it's a trend-setting thing these days, so which is your thing. And we'll meet soon and we'll celebrate it with a lot more celebration and a lot of hot and soft drinks and a lot of love from my end to you. Happy birthday.
Hi Sanika, happy birthday, happy 24th, have lots of fun, bye.
Hi Pandey, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to our dear Pandey. पांडे अब तो 24 की हो गई है, तो प्लीज़ अपने आप को यंग और स्मार्ट बोलना बंद कर दे. और ये वीडियो मैं पब्लिक में रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, तो आई होप तुझे पता है तो कितनी स्पेशल और इम्पॉर्टेंट है. बट सिर्फ आज के लिए एंड माई बर्थडे विश फॉर यू इज़ कि तुझे जल्दी से ट्विन्स हो. जल्दी से नहीं बट ट्विन्स ही हो. हैप्पी बर्थडे पांडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू पांडे. ये ले बालाजी की तरफ से पुच्ची. एंड आई लव यू सो मच. और ये देखिए मेरी नेचुरल ब्यूटी है. दिस इज़ नॉट अ फिल्टर. मैं ऐसी दिखती हूँ. और यार आई मिस यू सो मच एंड आई लव यू सो मच. तेरे लिए हम इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, मुझे यकीन तक नहीं होता है. बट देन ठीक है, तू है स्पेशल हमारे लिए, समझिए. बट आई होप हम जल्दी से मिले. ओके बाय.
Hey Sanika, wish you a very happy birthday. Party hard and let's meet soon. Cheers.
Happy birthday Sanika. Hope to meet you soon.
Sunny, happy birthday. I'm wishing you an extremely exciting year ahead to stumble upon. And I wish you nothing but the best in life. I really hope to see you on the other side of the world. So, I have somebody here to gossip with. Apart from that, शादी कब करी है यार? Bye.
Hi Sanika, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. I'm so sorry I'm not there to celebrate with you this time, but yeah, next time probably soon. And let's do Goa again, all the memories. And please always consider me your official photographer. I will never mind clicking your pictures. And have fun, enjoy your day, and love you. Bye.
Happy birthday Bunty, we love you.
Hi Sanika, wish you a very happy birthday. I really believe your smile lights up the room. So keep on smiling and wish you the best in life.
Happy birthday Sanika. We love you.
Yo, happy birthday Chabi. Have an amazing day and an amazing year. Don't forget your pizza party still pending. Anyway, happy birthday once again. Cheers.
Happy birthday Sanika. Have an amazing 24th.
Hi my chubby bunty. Happy birthday. Lots and lots of love to you always. Let's say it in Hindi for you once. Janamdin ki hardik shubhkamnaएं. Lots of love. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday Sanika. A good one. Because everyone is saying it and I'm going to say it. We love you. We really do.
Hey Sanika, wishing you a really happy 35th birthday. I know you've been doing this forever for other people, so it's pleasantly surprising that it's happening for you. But I must say that I hope we could have done this in person also, although we've already done one party. But yeah, never say no to parties. More and more coming in. Also, thank you for being the chipku gel of the group, because of which kind of the group is being held together. Otherwise, Yash would have split it into pieces long back. So that's a good thing.
Happy birthday Sanika.
Happy birthday Sanika Didi.
Hey Sanika, a very happy birthday to you. Hope you have an amazing day. Party hard and be safe. And I'm hoping to see you really soon. Lots and lots of love. Love you.
Happy birthday Sanika. Wishing you loads of wealth, happiness, success and good health. Have a ball.
Happy birthday bro.
I hope you have an amazing day. I can't believe we turned 24. It's a big number. We started, I think we met when we were what, 19, 18, 19? And here we are. It's a big deal, dude. I think we can do it. I think you can do it. Get through it and have an amazing day. I hope I get to see you soon. And auntie, let's get a hug next year. Do it.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेबी सिस्टर। मैं भी आपकी वीडियो एडिट कर रहा हूँ जो भी आप देख रहे होगे, और आप हमेशा बोलते हो कि मैं आपकी गिफ्ट हूँ, और बहुत आयरॉनिक है कि आपकी गिफ्ट अभी आपका गिफ्ट प्रिपेयर कर रही है, तो थोड़ा सोचो उसके बारे में काका, उसके इम्प्लिकेशंस के बारे में सोचो, उसके सोशियो इकोनॉमिक वेरिएबल्स के बारे में सोचो काका। ओके, हैव फन, हैप्पी बर्थडे।